Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Make a great choice today with the 2015 BMW M4. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, sports suspension, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, cruise control, cargo area power outlet, multifunction display, power windows.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.